Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 2a, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's tap on this toggle at the top and keep tapping on the build number to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial about them. So now we can go back to the general settings and tap on the system. Let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates and tap on the switcher. From now on this option is active, which means that your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so be aware about that. And of course you can turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.